All right, here's a look after one pass. Not bad at all. I mean, if you wanted to really like break this stuff down, you could plant this, you know, run some heavy drags over it, but I'm gonna keep working it. It's only been 10-15 minutes, and there's kind of the before half. So okay, this is pass number 2. I went across the grain, so you can see the improvement here. Just gonna run one more swipe and maybe call it in at that, and break out the tiller tomorrow probably. All right, here's a look after the third pass. It's really starting to come down now. All right, so that's this half with the power grader, and I plan to bring the tractor and the tiller out to kind of compare the two. So don't forget to hit the like button, share our content if you enjoy it, and stay tuned to see the next leg of this land clearing project. So thanks for being on board. We appreciate it, and have a great day.